Have you ever had the experience where you've been doing something that usually you enjoy, such as doing a hobby or exercising maybe, or even playing with your kids, and somehow, some way, just doesn't seem like it's fun or enjoyable anymore? This is actually a very common symptom of PTSD and depression. So let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Dr. McCleary, licensed clinical psychologist and Navy veteran. And if this is our first time meeting, my channel is dedicated to educating veterans, service members, and their families about mental health. So if that's you, consider subscribing. PTSD and depression have a lot of different symptoms, and most of those symptoms most people are very familiar with depression, feeling sad or hopeless. With PTSD, maybe feeling irritable or having flashbacks or nightmares. But a symptom that people don't talk about a lot or don't talk about enough is that feeling of kind of just feeling nothing. The feeling that your emotions are just watered down, like they're not as strong as they are supposed to be or that they have been in the past. Especially positive feelings such as love and happiness. This is such a common symptom that there's actually a name for it, and it's called anhedonia. Anhedonia, simplified down, is basically a lessening of or an absence of positive emotions. So often this gets missed because it's actually something that's missing. It's not an add-on. It's not, oh, I'm having nightmares now, or oh, I'm feeling sad now, or oh, now I'm anxious in crowds now. This is something that's actually taken away. And because of that, it's often a symptom that gets missed by providers. It can also be a symptom that veterans, service members, and everybody else just discredits because they don't know what's going on. If you're getting value from this video, go ahead and give it a like so YouTube will show this video to another veteran. It's one thing to feel sad about something. It's one thing to feel angry about something. But it's a whole nother very scary thing to feel like you can't access feelings such as love and happiness, even around people that you love or maybe even make you happy. That can actually be very scary. And it can even be more scary than feeling sad and in the dumps, because now we feel like something is really wrong with us. I'm playing with my grandkids on the playground. I should be enjoying this. Why am I not? I'm out with a dinner with my wife. I should be enjoying this. Why am I not? It's Christmas morning. My kids are opening up their gifts. Why am I not enjoying this to the level which I feel like I should? These can be very scary things to recognize. And if you're not recognizing these things, this is what I want you to look at as well. Not just the add-ons, the nightmares, the flashbacks, the feeling sad and hopeless, the anxiety. I also want you to think about, well, what are the things that are possibly being taken away? Do you feel like you can't access feelings such as love and happiness? If that's the case, you're not alone. Once again, this is such a symptom that there's a real name for it, anhedonia. But if this is a symptom that you're experiencing, what I suggest is that you reach out to your medical, or better yet, a mental health provider to help you navigate your way through this. Could it just be anhedonia in itself and not connected to something else? Sure. But most likely, when somebody has anhedonia, they have other symptoms as well. So you want to be looking out for not just the add-ons, but also what's been taken away. Something to think about. As always, I hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, consider giving it a like. But more important than that, if this video was helpful for you, well, that means it can probably be helpful for another veteran or another service member or another friend or family member of a service member. So I ask that you share it with them. Because at the end of the day, that's really what all this is about. One veteran trying to help another.